Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, it is another unboxing video and it is the Crate Wizarding World unboxing video for the month of, when was it? September, because it's every 2 months I get the subscription box, and this is for the month of September, but I got it in October because of the end of the month or whatever. So yeah, this is for the month of September, and the theme for this was, I think it was back to school, something back to school related. So let's go on with the unboxing video. So let me just open this real quick. I'm gonna close my eyes so I can let you guys get a peek of what's inside. So that is the inside. You guys get a sneak peek, and now I'm gonna see what's in here. So I'm gonna reach out. I already feel something cool, and it's in a bag. No way! Oh my god! I'm gonna cry. I'm so happy. Oh, I'm literally so excited. It's a backpack. I got a little backpack. Or it's like a little satchel. It's not a man purse, it's a satchel. If you know where that's from, then. Thanks.
You're not really wearing that, are you?
Wearing what?
The man purse.
It's where I keep all my things. I get a lot of compliments on this. Plus, it's not a man purse. It's called a satchel. Indiana Jones wears one.
So I got a little Ravenclaw little bag thing for school, since it was back to school. If my house is Ravenclaw, so that's why I got a Ravenclaw one, because my house is a Ravenclaw. Next, I got a notebook, and I got, again, because I'm a Ravenclaw, so I got a Ravenclaw notebook. I know the house I'm in is pretty confusing, but just to make it clear, my Hogwarts house is Ravenclaw. But in the other Harry Potter subscription, Geek Gear, I get random houses, so that's why it's different, but my specific house is Ravenclaw. So I got a Ravenclaw notebook. Okay, so I took it off the wrapping just so we could get a better look at it, and here is the notebook, and it just, when you open it, it just has the logo for Ravenclaw. So that's that. Next, okay, the next item, it actually looks like it's probably a banner. I don't know, let's open and see. Oh, okay, so it is a banner, a Ravenclaw banner. And then down here, I don't know if you could see. Down here it shows it has words that describe a Ravenclaw, which is learning, wit, and wisdom. And then I have the lost diadem down here, if you could see it. So yeah, that's that. Pretty cool. And let's see if there's any more. I think there's one more item. Okay, I like this. So the next item is this. What, I don't know what it is, so I'm gonna open exactly to see what it is. I don't know if it's a pen or what. Oh, I think it's a bookmark. Yeah, I think it's a bookmark that you just press it on and put it on the bookmark. Or maybe it's just a thing you put like this. I don't know, I think it's a bookmark, but who knows. So you just put it in between the pages, and it is Ravenclaw. So I have a Ravenclaw bookmark. Okay, and let's continue looking. I think that's about it. So yeah, that is it. Oh, so I'll show you. You probably already saw it, but I didn't see it. But this is it has the little Hogwarts dining room picture right here. I think that's pretty cool. Oh. So I saw this thing and I guess something else is delayed, just like the last box. No surprise, it's disappointing, but I guess another of the items was delayed for this box, and I believe it's a shirt. So let's read what it says. And yeah, the theme was back to Hogwarts. Oh, this is so cool. Okay, so the missing item from this box is a Hedwig pin. A Hedwig pin. I am obsessed with Hedwig and I'm really excited for this pin. I can't wait for it. So yeah, so the missing item is a Hedwig pin. And it's probably going to show a picture here. Okay, so yeah, here's telling us what we got. The theme was back to Hogwarts. So you either got a notebook depending on your house, whatever house you're in. So if you're Hufflepuff, you get Hufflepuff, Gryffindor, notebook, and then Slytherin, and so on. And then you get you get a Hogwarts house notebook. Okay, and it is a pin. The thing I was uncertain about, it is a pin. It is a bookmark. The thing I was uncertain about. So you get whichever one depending on your house. Again, I got Ravenclaw because that's my house. And then you get a Hogwarts house banner. We saw that. So again, depending on your house. And then you get a Hogwarts house book bag. And I'm obsessed with that, depending on your house. I kind of wish, I like the Slytherin one because it's green, and then the Hufflepuff one because of the yellow. But I like mine because it's my house. And then the Hedwig pin that we did not get. So yeah, that was it for this video. I really enjoyed everything I got. My favorite thing from this box definitely has to be the book bag. And I also really like the pin of the... Oh my god, I keep saying pin, dumbass. The bookmark. So my favorite thing... I'm probably saying pin because I'm upset because of the Hedwig pin that we still have not received. But anyways, my favorite thing was the book bag and the bookmark. But if I choose between either of those, then it definitely has to be the book bag. So I actually really like this month's box. The last month was alright, but I really like this month's box. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys really enjoyed this video, then you guys should definitely like this video, because why wouldn't you? You guys watched it for a reason, so hopefully you liked it and give it a thumbs up. And also, if you're new on this side of the internet, then you guys should definitely subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot to me if you guys did. Thanks for watching, and like always, see you guys next time. Peace out, muggles and wizards.